Hello kitty buddies. So it has been raining now. Just few hours before it has been raining. You can see so much water already on the roads. On the main service lane also you can see so much water standing. Oh my god. I have come outside after like 2 or 3 hours. The rain has stopped, but now still it's drizzling a little bit. So I just came out before it gets dark. Let's record something for you to show you how the drainage system is here in the Ludhiana. It's quite good if we compare to Mumbai. In Mumbai, if there was a little bit heavy rain, then that used to create a lot of chaos and waterlogging. But you can see here in the Ludhiana, it has been raining for like 1 hour, and you can already see the streets. They are already mostly clear. There are some parts on the streets that are still not clear, but that's all. It happens in the rainy season. You can see the thunder on the horizon, on the left hand side of the horizon. I hope so it doesn't rain now, because I have connected my mic to the camera. So because of that, the camera is not waterproof anymore. So I need to take care of that. If it starts raining, then I have to pack the camera and get back home. Now you can see this section in front of Greenland School near Jalandhar bypass. This has been constructed for two-wheelers, I guess. Yeah, this bridge, what we can call it, flyover. I don't know the name. Let me know if you know. That has been constructed, so in few weeks or few months maybe we can use it. I'll show you. Maybe I'll come on foot to show you this bridge. The weather is very pleasant today. Otherwise it was too hot. Very hot. It was super humid. I was using air conditioning. I wish you could also enjoy the weather with me, but you can only see and just imagine. You can't really feel. I have come in the shorts, so it's very cool right now. That was a street vendor using electronic microphone. I'm on the main highway, otherwise I could show you the kiosk, the rush or the crowd. There is. From here, Ladwal is 7 kilometers and Fleur is 11 and Amritsar is 135 kilometers. Obviously, we are not going there. Neither Ladwal, neither Fleur, neither Amritsar, because it's too late right now, and I usually don't record so long. Oh my god, there is a lot of waterlogging. Let me show you a little glimpse. A lot of waterlogging, you can see. we used to enjoy when we were kids. When I was kid, I used to enjoy a lot. I used to take my bicycle and explore the areas that were full of water. Yeah, there was always a danger of some uncovered manhole or something like that, or big ditch, but I used to cycle slowly in case if something bad happens. But I was pretty lucky. Never happened with me once. Oh my god. Oh, thunder. Usually the lightning comes before, and after many seconds the sound of the thunder comes. And there is a formula, I guess. If you calculate the seconds and add in that formula, you can calculate how many kilometers the thunder was really, where that thunder happened, how far was that thunder. And it's getting dark now. I must get home, stop recording and get back home. Hope you are enjoying. So this is the main highway, NH1, from Ludhiana to Amritsar. This is main highway that has been constructed from Delhi to Amritsar. NH1. Let's take over this lorry. Wow, nice. A lot of wind catching up on the mic. I hope you are able to listen me. Hope so. These guys are coming wrong side. Let me also try that. Because it's a service lane, you can go to and fro. You can go also and come also on the service lane. That is what service lane is made for. I guess so. Correct me if I'm wrong. From here I'll take a U-turn. Traffic incoming. All clear. So let me show you some waterlogged areas, then I'll just finish the video and go back home fast, because it's getting dark, and with this camera, when it gets dark, not able to shoot that good. Hope you saw some of the night footage. Oh, that clouds looks amazing, but it's very hard to see on the camera, I guess. The screen is so small, I'm not able to see the minute details on the camera on the go. So on the right hand side there were some palaces, some resorts for the marriage and the function, and I have shown you in the last video the Malhotra Palace, I guess so. From here, the right hand side there is Malhotra Palace, and the left hand side there is Tiger Safari. Oh my god, they are coming so close, and there is water also. I'm on the two-wheeler, so I need to be careful I don't get splashed by any car. You can see so much water here. Easy to see if I go behind someone, but now I won't be stopping for someone to just overtake me, and then I can show you. Wow, man. Now it has started raining little heavy. I need to go back, and before that I need to just store this camera in some safe area. I have some waterproofing for the camera also, but then you are not able to connect the mic. On the left hand side you can see so much greenery. There all are wild plants, and on the left hand side there was a wholesale store called Metro. They closed because they were not able to make good profit. And there was also a store near Decathlon. They didn't close, but they relocated. Now the ground is all covered with the wild grass. This is the Zomato guy. More taste, no waste. Zomato. Wow, nice tagline. I hope he makes some good money, because he is working in the rainy season, man. The hard working guy. Let's overtake him. Man, it's very scary driving two-wheeler in the rainy season, especially if the roads are wet, because it usually gets very slippery. Wow. He's not turning on the AC, but he has opened the windshield, the Thar, Mahindra Thar. He has opened the windshield and the mirrors because the weather is good now. So he's enjoying the weather, man. That's nice. And it has started raining heavily. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. I need to put down the camera in some safe place. So see you in another video. Hope you liked it. Give it a like. Subscribe if you are coming for the first time. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.